What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting your BDO credit card statement balance into installment. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng converting your statement balance sa BDO credit card into installment? Ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin guys, kung magkano yung magiging statement balance nyo or kailangan yung bayaran within that statement of account sa BDO credit card ninyo, pwede siyang i-convert into installment para at least magaan siya sa bulsa bayaran buwan-buwan. At saka pag-uusapan din natin of course yung fees and charges. Magkano nga ba yung monthly add-on rate na ino-offer at the same time kung magkano yung magiging availment fee. Kasi ito ay offer ni BDO sa mga clients nila with BDO credit cards. Kaya naman of course it comes with fees and charges. Kaya naman nais kong i-share sa inyo para at least maging aware kayo. At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin guys kung ilang years nyo siya pwedeng bayaran. Kasi pwede kayo mamili kung 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, ganyan. Kaya naman it depends sa preferences ninyo kung ilang years nyo siya gustong bayaran. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, convert your statement balance of 11,819.40 on your BDO credit card ending to installment at 0.88% monthly add-on rate up to 36 months or 0.78% for 48 months to 60 months. So as you can see guys, dito sa offer ko is up to 60 months siya. Depende siya guys sa evaluation ni BDO sa credit card account ninyo kung kayo ba ay o-offeran ng mas maliit na interest para naman at least makasave kayo. Kapag good payer kayo guys sa BDO, yun talaga yung sure na mangyayari in the future, o-offeran kayo at o-offeran ng mas mababang interest since okay yung credit records ninyo sa kanila. Kaya naman tip ko lang talaga, ingatan ninyo yung credit history ninyo sa BDO. Kasi as you can see guys here, para sa options na up to 36 months, 0.88% yung magiging monthly interest rates. Tapos kung pipiliin ko naman yung 48 to 60 months, 0.78% na lang siya. Kaya naman 'di ba kahit pa paano, the more nakatagal nyo siya babayaran or mas matagal nyo siya babayaran, mas maliit yung magiging monthly interest rate niya. At saka up to 5 years siya. Talagang laking ginhawa siya sa monthly amortization. So, dito yung computation, guys. Kung gusto mo na 3 months to pay lang, yung magiging monthly amortization is 4,043.87 per month. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman kung 6 months, 2,073.96 per month. Kung 12 months, 1,089.01. Yan ay based doon sa statement balance ko na 11,819.40. So, syempre, kapag yung statement balance ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo is mas mataas, umabot halimbawa ng million or 100,000, mag-iiba din dito yung magiging monthly payments ninyo. Since sa akin ay 11,000 lang, 819, so yung 3 months is 4,043. Kaya naman, kung mas malaki, of course, mas malaki rin yung magiging monthly amortization. Huwag kayong magugulat guys na is kung i-share sa inyo kasi mamaya sabihin nyo na sabi doon ganun lang yung magiging monthly payments. Hindi po ganun. Kaya dapat aware kayo. As you can see sa 24 months is 596.49 per month na lang. So 60 months, 289.19 na lang. So medyo maliit na siya habang patagal ng patagal. Yun nga lang, mas malaki yung magiging interest na ipapatong doon. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon. Halimbawa, itong 60 months yung pinili ninyo. So, 11,819.40 times 0.78% kasi 60 months nyo siya babayaran. So, yung magiging result is multiply nyo siya into 60 months, yun yung magiging interest rates ng 11,819.40 na statement balance ninyo. Pero kung kaya nyo naman bayaran, so bayaran nyo na lang ng buo yung 11,819.40. Ganun lang kasimple. So ngayon, to proceed, text balcon space ref code space term 2225678. Example as balcon MS5 PJ24 until 2/5/2026. So yung offer na to is hanggang February 5 lang siya. Beyond that, hindi na i-accept yung reference code na pinadala nila kasi expired na. For lower amount, visit BDO Deals, search balance, convert special rate, apply now. So kung gusto niyo na maghanap pa kayo ng iba pang rate, much better to visit BDO official website to check about their rates. So ito guys, for further details or further explanation, convert your BDO credit card statement balance to installment, typically starting at 20,000 pesos. Nakalagay dito guys is 20,000 pesos. As you can see, sa akin is 11,820 lang, pero inoferan ako. It's because maganda yung relationship ko with the banks. I was able to pay my statement balance on time, kaya parang kahit hindi ko pa na-meet yung 20,000, inoferan pa rin ako. Ganun yung kagandahan kapag inaalagaan ninyo yung credit record ninyo sa isang bangko. For terms up to 60 months. So up to 60 months talaga yung maximum payment terms niya. With rates as low as 0.79% monthly. So 0.79%, as you can see sa in-offer sa akin is 0.78 siya. O di ba nakatipid ako ng 0.01%. So yun. Apply via BDO website, SMS, or by calling 08631, ganyan. A reference code from BDO Deals at 250 fee applies to approve application. So ngayon guys, take note lang na tumaas na yung availment fee ni BDO. Ngayon ay nasa 350 pesos na, dating 250 pesos. Key details for BDO balance conversion. Minimum amount typically 20,000 pesos or higher. So tulad na sabi ko kanina, kapag okay yung relationship nyo with the bank, kahit mababa sa 20,000 o offeran kayo. Terms up to 60 months, rates is as low as 0.79% monthly add-on rate. Then yung fees niya is 250 pero 350 na ngayon. Then yung eligibility is determined by the BDO at the time of application. So ngayon guys, let's talk about application methods. So paano nga ba ninyo i-avail yung ganitong promo, which is yung converting your BDO credit card statement balance into installment. So pwede rin siya via online. Visit BDO official website, then search ninyo guys yung BDO balance convert. So maglalabas yun doon sa kung ano yung magkano yung offer. Yun yung unang step. Pangalawa is pwede rin via phone call. Pwede kayo tumawag sa BDO customer service and inform them na gusto nyo mag-cash installment. Yung hotline number nila ngayon is 448-40. Yun na yung bagong hotline nila ngayon. SMS. Reply to SMS or Viber alerts from BDO Deals with the required reference code. Tulad sa pinakita ko kanina guys, di ba sa text message na yun ni BDO Deals, may reference code. Yun yung ite-text ko as proof na inoferan ako ni BDO. Then yan, meron namang important considerations guys. So let's talk about important considerations bago nyo i-avail itong promo or offer ni BDO na inaalok sa inyo. Irreversibility. So meaning, irreversibility, once approved, the conversion cannot be reversed or cancelled. So kapag halimbawa, nag-apply kayo, tapos na-approve na, irreversibility na siya. Hindi na pwedeng i-cancel since na i-file na yung request ninyo for statement balance converting into cash installment. Application channels. Use only one channel to avoid duplicate processing. So kapag nakapag-apply na kayo via text message, huwag na kayo pumunta ng BDO official website or tumawag sa BDO customer service to request kasi magdo-duplicate yan, then it will redound into declining your application. Approval discretion. BDO holds the right to approve or reject the application. So only BDO has the right to reject or cancel. It's BDO's discretion to approve or not. Kaya naman wala tayong magagawa pag kinancel yung application natin. Then nandito pa guys, kailangan nyo malaman na 1% cross-border fee and 1.5% foreign exchange conversion fee may apply to foreign currency transactions. So kapag ginamit niyo yung credit card niyo na yon sa ibang bansa, may cross-border fee siya na 1% guys, at saka 1.5% foreign exchange conversion fee. So dapat alam nyo yun. Kung magkano yun, yung nagastos nyo outside the Philippines, 1% yung magiging cross-border fee, at saka 1.5% yung foreign exchange conversion fee. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!